Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Destiny 2 as a beginner. First, you'll choose one of 3 distinct Guardian classes: the Agile Hunter, the Powerful Warlock, or the Resilient Titan. Each class offers unique abilities and playstyles. Next, complete the New Light questline, which serves as your comprehensive tutorial, guiding you through fundamental combat and movement. This initial experience will equip you with essential gear and introduce you to the game's rich universe, setting the stage for countless adventures. Your power level is crucial, as it dictates your strength and ability to tackle challenging content. You'll constantly seek out new gear with higher power levels to increase your overall effectiveness. Weapons are categorized into 3 slots: kinetic, energy, and power, each with distinct ammunition types and damage profiles. Additionally, armor pieces come with various stat roles, such as resilience, recovery, and discipline, allowing you to customize your Guardian to suit your preferred combat approach. Destiny 2 offers a wide array of activities to keep you engaged. Strikes are cooperative 3-player missions that provide excellent opportunities to earn new gear and experience. For those who enjoy competitive play, the Crucible offers various player-versus-player modes. Regularly completing bounties and quests from vendors will grant you valuable experience points and essential resources. Joining a clan can significantly enhance your experience, providing a community for group activities and shared rewards. As you progress, focus on mastering your Guardian's super ability, a devastating attack that can turn the tide of battle. Experiment with various weapon roles and armor mods to optimize your build for specific encounters. Your Ghost Companion is invaluable for navigation, scanning objects for lore, and reviving you in combat. Remember, Destiny 2 is a vast universe. Take your time to explore its many planets, uncover hidden secrets, and truly immerse yourself in the adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.